If you have an older TV that has subpar sound quality, you might be looking to invest in a surround sound system, although that can be expensive and tedious to set up. But if you have an Apple TV and a couple of HomePod Minis, you can actually create your own makeshift sound system. And today I'm going to walk you through how to set it up. First, you'll need to set up your HomePod Minis. This can only be done through a compatible iPhone or iPad. They can't be set up directly with the Apple TV. Place your HomePod Mini in the room you're going to use it in and make sure your iPhone or iPad is connected to your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth is turned on. Hover your device near the HomePod Mini and it'll automatically pop up the on-screen setup. It'll ask you to download the Home app if you don't already have it, then follow the steps to finish the setup. Lastly, it'll ask you to place the HomePod Mini in the middle of the camera screen for recognition, and then you're all set. Next, you'll need to set up stereo pair for the HomePod Minis in order to get that full surround sound. To do this, make sure both speakers are in the same room and then open the Home app on your iPhone or your iPad. Touch and hold one of the HomePod Minis on the app. Scroll down and tap the cog icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap Create Stereo Pair and then select the other HomePod Mini you want to connect. The app will ask you to verify if the left/right speakers are in the correct spot. And then your stereo pair is set up. Now it's time to connect your HomePod Minis to your Apple TV via AirPlay. And keep in mind that your HomePod Minis and your Apple TV do need to be on the same Wi-Fi network. First, on the Siri remote, hold down the Home button to bring up the control center. Click the AirPlay icon and a list of available devices will appear. Select the HomePod Minis and now your Apple TV audio will AirPlay to your HomePod Mini speakers. So if you're looking for a DIY way to boost your TV sound and you already have an Apple TV, setting up the HomePod Minis is actually pretty quick and easy. The sound quality is better than my older built-in TV speakers, although it's not as extravagant as, say, the full-size HomePod or another speaker system. You also can't set the default audio on the Apple TV to the HomePod Minis, which is kind of inconvenient to have to reconnect every time you want to watch something. You can, however, do this with the full-size HomePod. So if Apple updated the settings for the HomePod Mini, it'd be even better. But for now, it's a pretty decent solution for getting better sound quality on your TV for a lower price point. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to How to Do It All.